We still recruiting for Sidemen? I can't remember. Are we?
Yeah, I'm down. Wait.
This is what I suggest.
We have to start doing golf at open lobbies.
Oh no.
I want to see what. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Audience, do you want to see a golf at open lobby with collision on?
I was really excited then.
So you can either go
Did you see what I just did?
safer route.
Did you see what I just did?
With collision on.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G.
What's the genre today, JJ?
The genre is...
So there's one more door this way, I guess. Yeah, the torture room. Love it. All right, your turn.
Mahoney's. Ram. Lesson of life and death. There's another door. Ram. Oh, yeah.
And that is the noise that Ethan makes when he comes.
No.
Can you, Ethan? Can you read out the
Stabilt race, Medraw, Skona, Osv, Core Light Catch, Slip.
Oh, we got Cause Light.
Ricketicket. Install Ninja. Stralva, Formin Palapi.
The Swedish audience is gonna love that one.
My favourite part was the Cause Light.
Full on space dunk, and then it made me shoot again. Fuck this game.
I did not realise you could just go that hard.
Yeah.
Oh,
you're gonna get in on that.
No, it's not. No, that happened to all of us.
What's your noise?
Yeah.
Alright. Facial.
Yeah.
Come on.
Are those corridors?
Why is there smoke up here?
Josh, you like that?
Yeah. Plague.
You can't
avoid it anymore.
No, I'm just smiling at the camera.
Yeah, you can't avoid that anymore.
Playlist.
Yeah, because there's no middle ground in this game. It's either you hit it too hard or you hit it too soft. Yeah, that was really pointless, wasn't it?
You're tacky and I hate you.
Alright. The little gay kid from wherever it is, School of Rock.
Why did you like eat your own tongue? Night.
What?
You had died.
Did I?
Yeah. You had a noise. I think you tried to say it alright, but...
Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
Vic, stop laughing at me!
Who's he talking to?
Finish line.
He's talking to
I
finish line.
talked to the finish
Finish
line.
line, come on, where? Oh no. Oh dear.
If I spike at you. This game needs a spectator.
No! Ruined that. I did it. That was sick.
Oh, could you not, mate? You nearly
I was
had
trying to smack the guy in the face.
that split dough.
Baby, there's a shark in